Hello out there to you. In this problem, we're going to find the rate of inflation from a couple of years. And we're going to use a spreadsheet to do that. So I've got the data. You can have different data if you want, but this is the data that we've been given from 2012 up to 2017. So we want to put this into our spreadsheet here. We're going to have it do all the work. You can do the same thing with Google Sheets. This is a pretty simple spreadsheet. So we're just going to go year, and then we're going to type CPI, stands for Consumer Price Index. It's already been calculated here. If you have to calculate it yourself, you can go ahead and do that. And then we want the rate of inflation. So the rate of inflation is the percent change in whatever price index you're using. In this case, it's going to be the CPI. Okay, so we will use this 2012, 2013, and it is smart enough to recognize what we're doing. So we're going to scroll down to 2017, just drag that right there. So you highlight the two and then drag that little plus there and you can get it. So I'm going to type in the data here. 6 and 210, and already we can recognize there's a couple of years when it actually goes down. So that'll be deflationary periods of time. So from there to there, the CPI went down, and from here to here, the CPI went down. Okay, so the formula we're going to write here, we actually don't have 2012 because we don't have anything to compare it to. So it's going to be this to this. So the formula is the new value minus the old value. We want to put those in parentheses because we want that to be calculated first, divided by the old value. Okay, and this gives us an entire number. It's a fraction. It's 0.037. So this is actually a percent. So we can just click on percentage there, and Excel's smart enough to know what's going on. Now we can redo that formula if we wanted to, and I will just to show you new minus old, put it in parentheses, and then divided by that. This gives us that fraction. It is negative, and then we're going to turn it into a percent, and you want to make it a little bit bigger just because we get 2.6%. Okay, but instead of doing that over and over again, you can actually just grab this little plus here, copy that down, and now we have all of the rate of inflation. Okay, so the question it's specifically asking me 2012 to 2013 was about 3.78%, and 2014 to 2015 was 8%. So that was a big jump. Since this year was down, macroeconomically speaking, I might want to look at the difference between here and here, and then like average that over the course of 3 years. That might be a little bit more accurate because this looks extreme because of that deflationary period of time.